Greetings from Singapore. Today I'm at the Woodleigh Hawker Centre. I'm going to see which stores are worth exploring and has some more customers. So let's check it out. Nearest MRT station along the northeast side of Woodleigh. The Kallang Wanda noodles. Anyway, I got to know this hawker center by chance on the internet, and there's a Teochew noodle house right here. It's 7 PM right now, dinner time in Singapore. Enki chicken wings. Some nice pancakes right here. Charcoal. Vegetarian stall right here. New steamed nasi lemak. Seafood. The youtiao. And those bananas. Hokkien Mee. Bone cracker satay. Szechuan fried rice. And a mala hot dog right here. And some nice kueh right here. And some crackers. 1 for 4, 2 for 7. This is by the Fashion Group. Very nice decorations here. Woodleigh Hawker Center. There's a I love here. Wow.